So, yeah, in terms of the safety aspect, people hear knife throwing, they go, "Oh man, that's dangerous," that kind of thing. But honestly, we one of the things we did with the sport was we did develop a lot of safety practices. Like in between each lane, there's specific fencing that has a certain, like there'll be holes and stuff in the fencing, but it's a certain degree of that. In fact, I can kind of show you here.
Yeah.
Oh Lord, this is like one of our knives we developed. You're not going to be able to see it super well, but it has a guard on it. And the reason being is so it can't go through, a fence if need be. It's completely blunt on the sides. You don't need a sharp knife, that kind of thing. It just has a little bit of a point and that's it. As long as you can do the sport, there's no need to go and do unsafe practices like throwing. Like you're also not allowed to throw from the blade, or blade, things like that. It's just like fencing in the Olympics. They don't use actual sharp swords, but as long as you can complete the task, then it works.